The impact of this investigation is huge. We're talking about an entire criminal network being dismantled from end to end, and the seizure of $1 million of drugs and cash. For the investigators that worked on this case, this is Christmas in August. This is a great win. Throughout this investigation, it was clear that this group had the capacity and wherewithal to conduct large-scale supply. But with this group being dismantled from the top down, we're confident that we had a substantial impact in those communities and the drug supply. Organized crime is a highly structured enterprise that can mimic any other business. However, Alert exists specifically to provide a dedicated and robust response to these type of risks in organized crime groups.